Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Peacock TV. This works on smart TVs, streaming device, phone, tablet, and computer, with all these small difference depending on the devices. Let's get started. First, turn on your TV or device and open the Peacock TV app. Wait until you're on this main home screen. Look at top of the screen for the profile icon. It usually looks like a circle with a picture or instant else. Select it to open the menu. Look at the top of the screen. Your menu is open. Once the menu opens, scroll down and choose Setting. This is where Peacock keeps your account option. Inside Setting, scroll down until you see Sign Out or Log Out. Select it. Peacock will ask you to make sure. Choose Yes or Confirm. You are now signed out. If your phone or computer, go to the account setting, then tap Sign Out. It works the same way, just with tap instead of remote. Make sure you are signed out. Make sure you are signed into a profile. If needed, choose close the app and reopen it, then try again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.